Hey y'all, so today I decided to change one of my short sleeve shirts into a long sleeve shirt. These are some sleeves that I cut from some previous fabric. This is the shirt, and I cut the sleeve off and I slanted the shoulder a little bit because it's a man's t-shirt. And as you can see with the slant, I'm going to have to go in and clip it together, and I'll more than likely serge it down, and I repeat it on both sides. So yeah, we're going to serge it down. As you can see, I just basically repeat the same thing on both shoulder sides, and as you can see, it came out with a pretty good seam. The reason I did this is because the arm was a little wider and I wanted it to fit differently. But anyway, this is my sleeve, and I'm going to pin it inside out. So the good side of the fabric is going to be facing inward, and I'm going to fold it in half, and I will be sewing along the seam. And again, I'm going to use my serger, and as you can see, this is what it looks like before I start. And yeah, I'm just going to go down and serge it all the way down. Now, the bottom of my sleeve, I might leave open for right now, and I'll probably just like serge it or hem it later on. But this is the sleeve. I basically traced a sleeve from a shirt that I already had. And this is me doing the second one. I'm going to repeat the same step. As you can see, I have two of them now. One of them is just inside out, and I already turned the other one right side. So the right side one is going to go inside my inside out shirt. Yeah, that sounds crazy. But the good sides I have to pin together in order to be able to serge it. So yeah, I have to put it in that way for that reason. So I'm going to, at the top is a seam, so I went ahead and matched it up, and then I did the bottom, and I just start pretty much doing the sides. And you can always mark it to make sure everything is even, but this material is kind of stretchy and pretty much everything is lined up, so I really don't anticipate on having anything bigger than the other, so it's just fine. So as you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and clip it, and after clipping it, I will use my serger to go all the way around. Now with doing this, I kind of do it carefully because I hate, absolutely hate having to re-serge anything, but sometimes it happens. So yeah, I just kind of take my time going around. I took the little side piece off so my fabric could go in there if need be. And yeah, when I get to the end, I like to fold mine at an angle to serge that off, clip that piece. And as you can see, boom, 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 we got a sleeve. And I thought it came out pretty good. And I'm going to basically go repeat the same step. I'm going to use the same sleeve side or side sleeve. I'm going to put it in, matching the good sides together. And I'm going to pin around the circle. Of course, I match my top to the bottom, or shoulder to the armpit, and serge it again. And that's basically all I did on this video. And like I said, the wrist part, you can hem it, you can serge it down. It don't really matter because this is actually a work shirt. So I just did not want to have to go get one when I had leftover fabric and I already had short sleeve shirts. So yeah, boom. I'm gonna throw it on right quick so y'all can see it. Ow, 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 ow. Check me out, ow, ow, ow. All right, see y'all next time.